Are you thinking about buying a home but you just don't know where to start? Well, first off, you need an agent who's there to protect you and to work in your best interests. We've helped many buyers throughout the years secure their dream homes. There are so many pieces to purchasing a home, and if you're not careful, it can end up costing you thousands of dollars more than necessary. Hi, I'm Dave with the David Marshall team at eXp Realty. The seller has an agent representing them, and you should have one representing you as well. We're here to guide you through every phase of the transaction, from finding your perfect dream home to making professional recommendations throughout every phase of the transaction. We guide you through making an offer, positioning yourself to get your offer accepted even when there's competing offers. We'll make suggestions about contingencies and concessions and what you should request for financing strategies and repairs. We go over everything that's customary for a buyer to pay and what's customary for a seller to pay, contingencies, and so much more. We're here to hold your hand and guide you through the entire process so you'll have excellent advice and information so you can make an informed decision and you don't end up spending more money than necessary. We are here to help you to be your support system and your lifelong friend even after we deliver you the keys to the new home. So please reach out to us and we'll help you along on your home ownership journey. I'm Dave with the David Marshall team of eXp Realty. If you have any real estate needs, then please contact us for our client-based approach to service excellence.